In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to change the front brake pads on a Chrysler 300. And for safety, slide a jack stand underneath. You don't want the car giving you a big hug unexpectedly. Now, grab a 22mm socket and impact wrench. Once they're off, remove the wheel and, for extra peace of mind, shove it under the car just in case the universe has other plans for your day. Next up is the brake caliper. Grab your 13mm socket to loosen the bolts, and use an adjustable wrench to keep that sneaky inside nut from spinning. Once you've got it loose, hang the caliper with a string or zip tie so it doesn't dangle by the brake line. We're not about that life. Time to pry out those old brake pads with a flathead screwdriver. If they're stubborn, just remind them they're getting replaced. They should come out with a little wiggle. Step 5. Installing the new brake pads. Now grab your new brake pads and grease the back and ends, just a light coating to keep them quiet and smooth. Slide them into place, and make sure they fit nice and snug. Before we can get the caliper back on, we need to compress the brake piston because those new pads are thick. I'm using a clamp to slowly push it back in. And there you have it, front brake pads changed in record time. If this video saved you a trip to the mechanic, hit that like button, subscribe, and I'll see you next time with more DIY tips.